Frame InFill, a company that is revolutionizing the housing industry through innovative and sustainable construction methods. We are at the forefront of creating affordable, high-quality, and eco-friendly homes, and we believe that our unique approach aligns with your investment interests. Frame InFill is to the housing industry what Tesla is to the auto industry. We are leveraging the precision of factory production to build homes that are not only cost-effective and high-quality but also customizable to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Our approach is different from traditional prefab companies. We have reimagined the way homes are built from the ground up, keeping manufacturability at the forefront from the very beginning. Our unique frame and infill system is a thoughtful and innovative approach to modular construction. We leverage the efficiency of containerized dimensions, the strength and insulating properties of composite concrete structural insulated panels, CCSIPs, and the flexibility of composite cardboard for interior spaces. Our homes are assembled on-site, much like high-tech life-size Lego blocks. We have adopted a fabric-first approach to building design, which involves maximizing the performance of the components and materials that make up the building fabric itself before considering the use of mechanical or electrical building services systems. This approach minimizes the need for energy consumption and promotes sustainability. Our building units are made of steel frames and structural units that conform to the size and dimensions of standard shipping containers. This makes our building units easily shipped by standard trucks or trains anywhere in the Americas without the need for oversized load handlers. To overcome the dimensional constraints of containerized design, we use backpacks, infill modules for spaces such as kitchens and bathrooms that can slide inside the container during shipping and out, creating projections from the overall container dimensions. Our structures are composed of steel, composite concrete, composite cardboard, aluminum, and glass, which are among the most recycled materials on Earth. We use a CO2 curing carbonation process in the production of our composite concrete panels to address the large carbon footprint and significant water usage associated with traditional concrete production. We believe that our approach to affordable and sustainable containerized housing offers a viable solution to the housing affordability crisis in the United States. By using recycled and sustainable materials and a fabric-first approach to building design, we can minimize the need for energy consumption and reduce the environmental impact of housing. We are excited about the potential of frame and infill to redefine home construction and contribute to a more sustainable future. We believe that your investment could significantly help us in achieving our mission and would be delighted to discuss this opportunity further with you.